Hi, I'm Dean from Granthams Retford. Today we've got this fantastic Swift Lifestyle 656, not been here too long, just over 19,000 miles on the clock. Fabulous 6-berth motorhome, loads of features. Let me show around a few of them. So we've got the black cab, over cab bed at the top, which is great for storage as well. We've got barbecue point if you want to cook outside, takes the gas straight from the bottles on board. You don't need extra tanks. We've got this two-lay Omnistor awning with an awning rail built into that as well. This is where you fill up with water. Round the back, we've got a two-lay bike rack. You've also got reversing camera integrated into the brake light. And around this side, you've got an external shower point for those days where you need to wash outside or bathe your dog off. Fantastic piece of kit. Let's have a look inside. So this is where it really comes into its own, really. Automatic transmission. You've got a navigation unit in the Fiat dash as well. You've got cruise control, air conditioning, not just standard air conditioning either, proper climate temperature controlled. You've got hill start and hill assist, which was standard on the Fiat cab at the time. Electric windows, electric mirrors. You've got 6 seat belts, which is dead important. A lot of 6-berth motorhomes would only have 4, possibly 5. This has got a single belt for every single passenger that you're going to sleep on board. Very unusual. You've also got this fantastic over cab bed with safety harness. If you've had too many glasses of wine or the children want to get out of bed, you can just bolt them in. Pushes out of the way for a bit of storage if you need it. Proper cooker. I say proper cooker, it's an oven grill combi. 3 burners on the top. If you're on a mains hookup, you've also got the benefit of a microwave oven. Fridge, the freezer box as well. 3-way the fridge, so it's gas, electric and 12 volts. This dinette area also makes a double bed. The table sinks to the floor, and then you pull these extensions out, which gives you the extra sleeping space here to give you a double bed. And then in the back, you've got this fabulous lounge area, which also converts to a double bed. Really, really straightforward to do that. So there's plenty of room in here for 6 people, no problem whatsoever. Great family bathroom as well. Decent sized shower unit. And toilet. Yeah, so it's not been here too long. If you're interested in coming to have a look at it, give us a call, book an appointment. It's on display at Retford, and we'll see you soon.